Nkabox kameneko amasule liboni akatero there's a gift imene apatsidwe ndetione kuti gift yake ndi ichiyo. Koma we have heard that who is being surprised today is none other than Zeze's wife, and that's Dorothy Kingstone. Tione kuti zoenda motani. Koma no, this is a beautiful thing. Aliens nditu tsitsi lukuyenda, you know, goosebumps kuti what is going to happen today. Ife chimene tikuchita tungodikirira kuti tione kuti chikuchitika ndi chani. Adongosolo pansipo tinyimbo ta Zeze imene amatima ekha and all that. Koma that's not the title of the song. But anyway, our focus today is what is going to happen today. What we have heard is that today there will be a surprise, and the surprise will be presented by none other than the Amapiano artist, that's Zeze Kingstone, surprising his beautiful wife, Dorothy Kingstone. Beautiful ladies are here, and there are beautiful people who are also here. You know, but this is a bigger surprise. This is a bigger surprise, and we are just waiting to see Kutikodi Pajrika Zotani. Zeze in a black suit, and we are yet to see Kutikodi Ziende Motani. But anyway, Tiwone Kutikodi Bakare Zujirika Motani. Zeze and his wife Dorothy Kingstone in a black blindfold. Yes, you can hear the cheering there and all that, in a red dress. Today being Valentine's, you know, and we yet to see what the Pajrika Zota. But there's a bit of thing, you know, Tungo Digiri Kuti to one of the Bakare Pajrika Zotan. So Zeze and his beautiful wife Dorothy Kingstone. What a beautiful day, a day to remember. But it's Zosiana Sena's message to Gabana with Papa pop champagne, Comaso, and Ditu Timpaso Tosiana Siana to Metabuna, Zikare Zuenda, Motan, Siku La Lero. What a day, Menandi Tubakala, Tiku Dikirira, to one of the body, Zichika, but it's Zeze and his beautiful wife Dorothy Kingstone, you know, trying to find out what the yeah, the figure of many. Now they're just closer to where the gift box has been set. We are here to see what in this gift, in this box, Mori Zotani, or Verega Malva, Mamenevo, or Verega Trainer box, Mamenevo, or no, this is colors of Motani, but this is a bit of thing. And I will show Sunday to Jimana Manga Wunchinga. Yeah, so what a beautiful thing, you know. The colors are yeah, so nditu encourage one nkhani yobeba kwambiri nditu love is a beautiful thing. Wow. So anytime from now magayo nditu tikale to just announce wow. Yeah. Let's see, good box mo Mauritian. Wow, says I found Sunday to a kale. Mbali museme anthu zigwira mbali. Yeah.
Kevin, you.
Gentlemen, take your time. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4, 1. The Kingstone. This is nothing but the best of the best.
Yes.
Words fail me short. How I can express myself. You can see how Cash Madam is very excited. Very excited. She can't believe the gift that.
So guys, this is a Range Rover Velar, and
look at this.
wow, love is a beautiful thing, and Zeze just gifted his.
I'm so happy.
You're very happy.
I'm so happy because really I wasn't expecting anything from him. Because this other time we were home and I asked him what's the plan for Valentine's. He was like, there's no any plan for Valentine's. And he got me home. He was like, we're going for lunch. And I left home and getting there, he had to blindfold me. Getting here, boom, boom. I'm so happy. Baby, thank you so much. Mr. Kingstone, I love you so much. Happy Valentine's to you, my husband. Thank you so much. I'm so happy.
When you were told that there's a surprise, you should be blindfolded and all that, were you expecting such kind of a gift?
No, he told me that we're coming here for lunch. If I was just coming here for lunch, and when he told me that I have to blindfold you, I was like, Zeze being Zeze, you know? Yeah, I wasn't expecting something big like this.
You are waiting to Zeze.
I love you so much. May God bless you, my husband. May God enlarge your territory. May God keep on pouring this grace that He's pouring upon your life, upon his career, because this cannot come without, the benefits which are coming from his career. So may God enlarge his territory. Next time, I want Brabus. Thank you so much. I don't take this for granted. I appreciate it. It's not easy.
Maybe a word to also those ladies, maybe that have, they've gotten their gifts today. Maybe it's not bigger than this one, and a word, just a word to them.
To those who have gotten a gift from their loved ones, be appreciative, be grateful. No matter how big, how small it is, it might not be big like this. A gift is a gift. Even those of you who have not even gotten anything, be also appreciative. Next time, today it's me, tomorrow the New Year. So yes, let's appreciate our loved ones. Anything, you can go for a walk, buy them a present, anything.
Yongo Willis. I think Kadiongo Willis, Kadiongo Ocha. Aja lero.
Lewaja.
Yeah, that's Dorothy Kingstone there. Kusangalala lero ndetu. She has gotten a gift from Zeze Kingstone, her man, and we just wanted, of course, we also going to hear from Zeze as well. We are hearing that this is a Range Rover Velar, and it has costed Zeze almost 210 million Malawi kwacha just to surprise his wife. And there with friends and families, celebrating. Today is Valentine's. And I'm going she's just being appreciative. That's Dorothy Kingstone. Of course, we're also trying to get in touch with Dorothy Kingstone, and there Zeze is coming through, so that we should just here kunena kuti kodi mkulu amene anachichuna motani mbali wanga takumana wanga iwe umati pano ase machina
basi kaza sanga
unachiona kuti unachiganisa motere basi
kaza amani vanga support kwambiri zinthu zanga kwambiri kuti zioneka mezi monekeramo zizenda mezi menderamo kwambiri chifukwa cha mkazi wanga. I have a management team, I have a whole team, but nakari kunyumba ko sizili bwino ndizo sizibuzirani zili bwino then nachitenga kuti nchantengo patali lero chifukwa tinandi ma projects ena zomanga office chanchani zinazo zatha ndi pano patibe pressure so ya zinthu zina then noti so pano pa nthaibwe noti kozano koza maendedwe then naona kuti ndapatse lero Valentines sinapanga chichose lero sinauza chichose
akuti unauza kuti akuzadya lunch
nango zoti ukadya lunch ku river
ina surprise amafuna tikubwera kuti light kumene ikuoneka bwino chakutsogolo kwa mabaluniku kuti tingocheza bwino so utakungoima pamene kuti ioneke bwino kuti anthu aone fund muti kuti ndijani Range Rover chani
Velar imene
koma se yayi chinthu chatenga kuti then mafunso onena kuti kwa anyamata ena kapena kwa anthu ena onena kuti ali mchikondi ungauze zotani when it comes to showing love to our loved ones.
Yes, chayamba simpikisano chayamba ndidziwa kuti simpikisano osamveramvera za anthu ali samapeza mmene adziwira koma anthu panja amatha kuona so mmene akufunira kuona ndiye munthu mwakha kuti muli pa chikondi choyambirira muyikane patsogolo china chilichonse chimabwera pambuyo mukhale chinzake mukhale nzake wawina ndi nzake mukakhala nzake wawina ndi nzake zimaphweka kwambiri kupanga decisions koma ndipo izizi zimafunika zichitika kwa nyamata komanso kwa zimayi amene kugulirana zinthu kupangana appreciate makamaka mukakhala kuti zinthu zambiri mapangira limodzi mapangana support zinthu zicha ndi here and there just to appreciate each other and this one she deserves more but panopa yona jambo ino kuti ndi umene ndili kotekera ndigule chimenechi aziyendera madam.
I said thanks so much it's a great day for you and have fun, enjoy, all the best. May God bless you,
bro. Thank you so much. God bless you too, bro.
That's Zeze Kingstone, one of the piano artists in the country, one of the best piano artists in the country. And on that note, that means we have also come to the very end of our today's surprise and tukunena kuti the Valentines on 4 wheels. Valentines on 4 wheels. Range Rover Velar 210 million balai kwacha ndinoone pamene kwapo 210 million balai kwacha. Wow.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.